In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Slack. Whether you're collaborating with teammates worldwide or adjusting to a recent move, setting your time zone correctly ensures that everyone stays aligned and communications happen seamlessly without confusion. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser, head to your internet search bar, and type in Slack. You'll probably see a link to the official Slack page come up in the results. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the Slack website, look for a button or link that says Launch Slack. Click on it, and this will take you to a sign-in page for your specific workspace. Now, if you haven't downloaded the Slack desktop app, don't worry. You can still use Slack from your browser. Just click on the Use Slack in your browser option, usually highlighted somewhere beneath the download prompts. That way, you'll be directed to a user-friendly web version of the Slack platform. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options related to your account settings. Among these options, you'll see Preferences. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Moving along, find the section labeled Language and Region in the Preferences menu. Can't see it? Don't worry, sometimes these menus have subsections you can scroll through or expand to find what you're looking for. Click on Language and Region to access time zone settings. Now, you have two choices for setting your time zone. The first option is to select Set Time Zone Automatically to sync with your computer. This is a convenient feature that uses the time zone of your computer to set Slack's time zone, ensuring it's always accurate, especially if you travel often and your computer adjusts itself automatically. However, if you prefer to have more control, you can choose to manually set your time zone. Simply uncheck the Set Time Zone Automatically option. Then, you'll be able to select the specific time zone you need from a drop-down list. Navigate through this list and pick the one that aligns with your current location or preferred setting. After you've made your selection, you can simply close the preferences. There's usually no Save button, as Slack will apply these settings automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your time zone in Slack, which should help keep your communication and scheduled activities in check without any confusion. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that you're always on the same page as the rest of your team, making remote collaboration smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.